Hi everyone. In this video, we'll explore how the Bright Minds logo came to life. A simple yet powerful line art design combining a light bulb and a book to represent learning and bright ideas.
Don't search for me, cause I'm going AWOL. In my heart there's a hole, yeah. And in my head there's a demon, I can't take control. I took too much, put myself in a room, just my six and myself, yeah. It's getting hard and I think I'm doomed, cause everyone left. Cause everyone left. Cause everyone left. Cause everyone left. Cause everyone Don't search for me, cause I'm going AWOL. In my heart there's a hole, yeah. And in my head there's a demon, I can't take control. I took too much, put myself in the room, just my six and myself, yeah. It's getting hard and I think I'm doomed, cause everyone left.